Hi healthy food lovers! My name is Kate and I do love delicious and healthy food. Today I want to talk about the hottest diet out there, the diet popular among celebrities, a diet that encourages to drink coffee and red wine, a diet that allows to eat chocolate, a diet with a mild calorie restriction. What, is that even a thing, you might ask? Yep, it certainly is, and its name is the Sirtfood diet. Allow me to explain. Sirtuins are a group of proteins responsible for regulating cellular health. Their uniqueness, however, lies within their power to affect processes like fat burning. They hold an exceptional feature which turns on the same skinny genes in our body as a high-calorie restriction would. Nevertheless, it takes two to tango. What I mean is that to activate these cool proteins, your body needs some help. This is where Sirtfoods come in, a group of wonder ingredients which contain special nutrients that have the ability to set your sirtuins in motion. As opposed to other diets out there which focus on foods that you should exclude, Sirtfood diet keeps its focus on ingredients that you should include. Since many Sirtfoods are so common, it is likely that you're already consuming many of them. For example, walnuts, matcha, blueberries, strawberries, medjool dates, apples, buckwheat, dark chocolate, turmeric, arugula, onions, kale, extra virgin olive oil, coffee, red wine, and many more. At Food to Live, we created the perfect Sirtfood combo gift box to get you started. This variety pack includes all natural and organic ingredients full of Sirt activating compounds. It holds matcha green tea powder, dried apples, our infamous medjool dates, delicious walnuts, and our finest cacao paste. Not only does the Sirtfood diet aim to reach your desired weight goals, focuses on fueling your health with more energy. Its goal is to keep your body in top physical condition and your mind sharp.